Hey all, welcome to ShareTreck. This is Raj here, and today I have with me my senior analyst who has helped me prepare today's segment. So enjoy. I'm going to talk about the entire CRISPR sector, looking at some of the front-running therapies. A few companies that I'm going to talk about are not even on our watch list, but they're all in advanced stages of clinical trial, so they are most likely to get approved and monetized fast. So with that said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. December 2023 marked an important milestone for CRISPR therapies with the approval of Vertex Pharmaceutical and CRISPR Therapeutics joint effort, Casgevy, by US Food and Drug Administration. This approval followed a nod from the UK's Medicines and Health Authorities, Health Products Regulatory Authorities or MHRA, which happened just a month earlier. And this represents a significant step forward for CRISPR-based treatments. As the first CRISPR therapy to hit the market, Casgevy promises to be a one-time therapy for patients with sickle cell disease, and this therapy involves genetically modified autologous CD3 plus cells enriched with human hematopoietic stem and progenitor cells edited ex vivo by CRISPR-Cas9. The FDA's approval, often seen as the gold standard in regulation, underscores the potential and credibility of CRISPR editing-based therapies. It could be CRISPR-Cas9, it could be CRISPR-Cas12, but basically CRISPR-based therapies. Conducting CRISPR trials has been fraught with challenges, including ethical concerns about germline changes, practical difficulties in controlling and blinding studies, low accrual rates due to safety concerns, and high R&D costs. Despite these obstacles, the approval of Casgevy offers hope and sets a precedent for future therapies. There are still concerns about the long-term safety and efficacy of CRISPR therapies, as the long-term adverse events have yet to present in patients because we have not seen patients that have used CRISPR-based therapies for a long duration of time. However, the potential for CRISPR to revolutionize treatment for genetic disorders is undeniable. The commercial potential of Casgevy is promising despite its high price tag, with global sales forecasted to reach 593 million, reflecting its first to market advantage. Although most CRISPR candidates are still in early development stages, the landscape is evolving rapidly. One notable candidate in phase 3 trials is NTLA 2001, developed by Intellia Therapeutics, and it's also partnered with Regeneron Pharmaceuticals. This therapy targets familial amyloid cardiomyopathy or FAC and aims to eliminate the abnormal protein deposition that characterizes the disease, with a primary outcome focused on cardiovascular mortality and events. NTLA 2001 has the potential to be a game changer in treating amyloidosis. The annual consensus forecast for NTLA 2001 is projected to reach $1.4 billion by 2029. Another exciting development is Edigene's off-the-shelf ET02 therapy for patients with relapsed and refractory B-cell acute lymphocytic leukemia, which is in small form ALL, and non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, which is NHL, not National Hockey League. This therapy, currently in phase 2 trials, offers a quicker treatment option by using pre-manufactured cells, adding significant value in time-sensitive clinical situations. In the realm of beta thalassemia, the Institute of Hematology and Blood Diseases Hospital is investigating Shanghai Vitalgen Biopharma's VGP-EX01, a CRISPR-Cas12b edited hematopoietic stem cell therapy. If successful, this one-time treatment could dramatically improve the quality of life for patients who currently rely on frequent blood transfusion. Then there's another company called War Biopharma Inc., which is advancing its allogenic engineered hematopoietic stem cells candidate Trem-cel, which provides an invisibility cloak for stem cells. This innovative approach allows the stem cells to evade immune detection while targeting leukemia cells, representing a significant advancement in treating AML. This kind of shows a precursor to what CRISPR Therapeutics is attempting to do with its own fully owned CTX112 and 131 therapies. Overall, the progress in CRISPR-based therapies is highly encouraging. While the journey is far from over, The advancements being made in clinical trials indicate a bright future for CRISPR as a transformative tool in medicine. As these therapies continue to advance through clinical trials and regulatory processes, they hold potential to revolutionize treatments for a wide range of genetic disorders and cancers. Now, this is what encourages me to a great extent to stay focused on CRISPR-based therapies and CRISPR-based companies. The main catalyst for us right now, when I talk about catalysts, we do have intermittent catalysts from these companies in our watch list, which push the share up a little bit and then the share comes down. But the main catalyst is going to be a rate cut. I'm looking forward to September, where I expect the Federal Reserve to cut rates. It could be a 25 basis point cut, maybe followed by a few more basis point cuts in the last quarter of the year. But the first cut will kind of give motivation to the market that they could become a bit more risk taking, and that's what will lift all these companies, because as CRISPR Therapeutics itself has said, they have got a bunch of catalysts coming up in the next 18 months. So we should expect a lot of catalysts coming up from CRISPR, and therefore the CRISPR Therapeutics share would definitely start seeing a jump up. Then next in line is Intelia. They could come up with some catalyst, and Beam also can come up with some catalyst. So all these things will set the sentiment for the sector, and that's what I think is going to raise all the boats. Bluebird is struggling valiantly. It has stayed above the $1 mark. That's a big relief to me. Still holding on to my Bluebird shares. No such luck with Ginkgo Bioworks. It's still in the penny stock category. Hopefully things pick up for it if they regain focus and communicate it to the market. They are focused. So that's what I'm thinking. And I suppose it's just a matter of time waiting it out. Will I dollar cost average? I don't know right now, but I'm in the mood to buy CRISPR Therapeutics. But my money is stuck up in FNGU right now, and it's negative at this point of time. So I'm waiting for it to come to the positive. So it's very difficult to time the market. Hopefully I'll get a positive on FNGU and I'm able to take my money out and put it into CRISPR. I still have money in the portfolio, enough to buy 100 CRISPR shares. So if FNGU doesn't take up, I'll just put the money into CRISPR. So that's the plan. I want to buy it somewhere close to $55 or below $55, and it's going there. With that, my friends, I'd like to bring this video to an end. I would like to hear from you. What is your sentiment with regard to CRISPR technology-based shares, the shares that use CRISPR editing? Please put it in the comment section. I'd like to hear from you. And if you have any holdings, whether they are positive or negative, and whether you're DCA right now, please let me know. Thanks and have a great day, and bye for now. And a big thanks to my analyst, my best friend, Rafian out here, who helped me make this segment. Please send some love to him in the comments. Bye for now.